오늘부터는 정말 생존을 위해 살아가야 한다. 배워가다 이 세상 속에서 살아남을 수 있는 방법은 있을 것인가. 생각해야 돼. 생각해야 돼. Think about it. 평일이라 그런가 이 스쿨버스가 많이 보이면 거기 왠지 톰 홀랜드 타고 있을 것 같아. 스파이더맨이 스쿨버스 타고 가다가 저기 침공 당한 거 알았잖아. 아 근데 오늘 날씨가 개떡같네. 어찌됐건 오늘은 씬 넘버를 만들고 집을 알아봐야 되는데 새끼들이 연락을 해도 답이 안 와. 집을 내놓겠다는 거야 말겠다는 거야. 그리고 이렇게 보면 캐나다는 안전거리 이 확보가 굉장히 잘 돼 있습니다. 어쩌라고? 약간 그렇다고. 아니 저 서비스 캐나다에 이제 씬넘버 발급받으러 왔는데 사람이 존나게 많다는 첩보를 이주했습니다. Oh my gosh. Really? Really? Huh?
What's happening?
한 시간이 지났는데 아직도 줄을 서고 있다. 2시간째 난 죽어가고 있다. Family name.
Spell your first name and your family name. Spell both of your names.
YOUNGHUNKONG.
And what's your birthday, your date of birth?
October 26.
Right.
현재 12시 20분 신넘버를 받았다. 와 여기는 일처리가 너무 느린 것 같지 않아. 들어가 보니까 막상 또 느리진 않았는데 왜 이렇게 오래 걸리는지 모르겠네. 어쨌든 How are you feeling?
I'm dying.
밥 먹으러 다운타운으로 가려고 지금 또 지하철을 타러 왔는데 4 minutes 3 minutes yeah? No problem.
You just wait 2 hours. 3 minutes
Yeah.
is like nothing.
Really? It doesn't matter. I can eat anything. You know? Not many vegetables. We can see the menu here. Hello, 2 people? Yeah. We can sit here?
I have someone coming
Okay.
to fix the window. That's why.
Okay.
In the next 10 minutes.
It's like a pillow. 아니 이게 빵인데 빵이 I wash my hands. 빵인데 빵이 이렇게 돼 있어. What's in inside?
Nothing.
Nothing? 감자 한라리포드. 이건 안에 이제 소고기랑 이렇게 야채랑 해가지고 우리 스낵랩이라고 생각하면 돼. 스낵랩. Just pizza is pizza. 피자 맛있겠다. 그러잖아. 방금 팁을 이제 친구한테 얼마 줬냐 물어봤더니 이제 1불 줬다 그래가지고 내 인생에서 그렇게 줘본 적이 없는데 그렇게 줘도 되나봐 사실. 그래서 나도 똑같이 1.11불을 주고 나왔다. You know what?
What's happening?
그래? I give it tip for 1.11. 111.
Yeah.
And okay, and run away.
I don't want cream on it. You don't want cream? Yeah. Oh, sorry.
여기가 이제 까사로마라는 곳인데 1차 세계대전 때 지어졌다고 합니다. 약간 성같이 생겼네? 뭔가 웅장하긴 하다. Looks beautiful. Really? Really? That's so beautiful. $40? What do you think? Just you know, yeah, all stuff, or just take picture here. 1, 2, 3, cheese. 굳이 이거를 $40를 내고 갈 이유가 있을까 싶어가지고 일단 뭐 배경은 이쁜데 안에는 그 우리가 생각하는 그 내용일 거야. 캐나다에서 보는 첫 집인데 어느 정도로 나한테 감명을 줄 수 있을지 한번 기대를 해봐야겠어. 결혼한 커플이라 그랬어. 근데 걔네들한테 방이 남아가지고 이제 하나를 내놓은 모양인데 어떤 건물 자체는 너무 좋은데? 좀 깔끔하다. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Can I recording?
Yes.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay. This is the room, right?
This is the room.
Whoa. Good size.
So
Where is
that's-
he?
That's a solarium.
Mm-hmm.
We smoke.
Ah.
We smoke in the solarium.
Uh-huh.
This door is all taped off,
Uh-huh.
just to keep the smell
Okay.
out.
Okay.
If you smoke, we could take the tape off. You're welcome to do
No,
it.
okay.
Totally up to you.
Okay. No problem.
But in here, there's two big drawers at the end of the bed. for
Oh, yes,
clothes,
yes. It's okay.
As well as the two drawers over there.
And it's a closet, right?
Closet.
Okay.
Yep. So record away.
And fans. Okay, cool.
Yep. And the curtains, there's privacy blind.
Mm-hmm.
So
This one. Yeah.
Let's light in, but this is
yeah.
a blackout if you're
Ah,
sleeping
okay.
at night.
Okay, cool.
So if you wanted light, and some privacy, just have it like that or open. Totally up to you.
Okay.
Bathroom.
Bathroom.
We have our own bathroom.
Ah, okay.
So this would pretty much be your own bathroom.
Okay.
So
Okay. Well, good.
in here,
Yeah.
living room, kitchen, obviously. Full use of everything in the kitchen: pots, pans, dishes,
yes.
glasses, whatever you need.
Cool.
Buy your own food, buy your own
Yes.
toiletries, stuff. So you'd have a full cupboard
Mm-hmm.
for all your food and
Yes,
everything. You'd be able to use.
Yep.
We pretty much have everything.
Yes. Okay.
You get obviously a section of the fridge, section of the freezer.
Okay.
Welcome to join us to watch movies,
Okay.
stuff like that. So
Yeah.
you can see we have a big screen TV.
Yeah.
We have two cats.
Oh, where?
They're in hiding. They hide when
Because of stranger, right?
when new people come over. They hide. So,
Yeah.
But they're very friendly once they get to know you.
Uh-huh.
Well,
A really nice view.
yeah, feel free. And I can show you the rooftop. It's a beautiful view off.
We can use it.
Yeah, absolutely.
And also include the gym and.
Yeah, I'll show you that upstairs.
Okay.
There.
Oh, okay.
And I'll show you the other side.
Okay, thank you. This is a gym. Cool.
So yeah, it's not huge, but
Yeah.
it has everything you need.
Yeah.
So
And this is a little terrace. Oh,
so
more.
there's another sitting area
Yeah.
up here,
More
another
space.
barbecue,
Uh-huh.
two more couches down at the end,
Ah.
and a
Yeah.
different view.
So, is that thing, you have to advise you at some okay. Yes, sorry. So, I've got you, which people you guys don't like habits, sorry.
Well, we like people who are courteous, respectful, if somebody's sleeping outside doors, it's the same thing. Somebody comes in the same doors, has a character, so he's not sleeping inside, I'm different people. Those people don't. One people, it's not really, you want to be best friends, but critics are social. So, yeah,
Because I'm a good person, so I like to talk and you know. 기다렸다.